Welcome to the Start Capital Canvas, your reliable tool for turning business models into numbers. In this video, we would like to display how to use the canvas with the business model canvas. When you get an idea, you want to make your idea tangible using the business model canvas. By understanding what value you can offer your customer or the problem solution fit basically, and how you can make value from your customer or the potential revenues, while considering all the operational needs and all its relevant costs. In other words, you are understanding the feasibility of offering that value to your target audience and its results in costs. On the Start Capital Canvas, you record the revenue streams and costs and use them to understand the potential profit margin and the potential capital you will need to start the business model. What if your profit margin is not satisfactory? Ask yourself, what kind of changes can I make to reduce my costs? Or what kind of changes can I make to increase my revenues? Repeat the process until you find the best possible setup for your startup. The Start Capital Canvas is your companion for evaluating the financial viability of your ideas. For more details, grab your copy of Mindset to Startup for a deeper dive into how to use the Start Capital Canvas.